Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Kendra and that's Taryn and we are living in OK Life. So today we are out here at 𝐤 Family Farm and we are glamping.
Yes, oh man.
We are excited. We are staying in a 𝐻𝐻 wagon. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we are here for one night. We're about to go check out the farm and the festivities, yes. And we will give you a room tour. This is our first time staying in a glamping wagon. So if you didn't know these were out here, you can definitely book one of these or a teepee to stay in. So make sure you stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell.
Let's go. What's up, guys? So this is their updated, so they updated the wagons, and this is the first one that's updated. We're actually the second family to stay in the updated wagon. They actually have a door, and I think they redone these as well.
Okay, you guys, so welcome to the wagon tour. Like Taryn said, the new one has a door. The rest of them have zipper doors that have a lock that it's a combination lock. Now they soon will have all of these with doors. The lady did tell us that it keeps the place 15 degrees cooler in here. So each wagon comes with its own private bathroom. As you can see here, Taryn has the key to lock it and unlock it, so no one will be coming in and out except us. And it does come with towels and a nice big shower. It was really clean in here as well. So if you stay here, you can do things after hours. So the farm actually closed at 6, but we have access until 9 p.m. tonight. So I think these are the things that you can do. So we're going to go walk over in this area and see if we could possibly get on the zip line or these slides and go from there. See why hamsters be so in shape. Looks like bodybuilders. These zip lines were actually for children. They do have a weight limit, so be mindful of that because we didn't see the signs until we were actually off of them and already had our fun.
Alright, you guys, we just got done with the zip line. Now we're about to go down some of these slides, see how they are. Look at that, the perks of being here after hours. Let's go.
Baby, don't want me.
Alright.
They don't want it after another. Oh no. We gotta take cover. You want one? Oh, he eats so slow. Oh, look at his little mouth. He's like, ow. Here, you eat some too.
Here comes the cow.
Come on, cow. Uh-oh, you dropped one. Go get it. Alright, you guys, we had fun exploring the park, but now we are going to head back to our campsite and probably cook our food and then get ready to get in this spa and relax a little bit, and then we'll cook our s'mores.
Let's do it.
Okay, you guys, we are in the swim spa experience. As you can see, it's a little private experience in this really big jacuzzi looking thing. So we're about to get in it. I think she said the bigger side is like 80 degrees, and then the other side, which is like the jacuzzi, goes up to about 100 degrees. And if you're wondering what's on my head, it's a swim cap. If you know, you know.
I would too. That's a lot. That's a lot.
In the house last night, they had lanterns and campfires instead. They put some marshmallows.
Oh yeah. I like that toasty marshmallow myself. The golden one. It's a thick marshmallow too.
Real dense.
Is it what?
Is it real dense?
Yes. Very, very much indeed. And come on, come on.
You can have mine. Alright, you guys, that's going to wrap this video up. We had a wonderful time here at the Orr Family Farm. We'll leave all of their information in the description box below. If you want to just check out the farm, you can get tickets to that. Or if you want to do a glamping experience, you can do that as well. But we will leave all of that information in the description box below.
And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can get our videos as soon as we post them. Make sure you like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye!